Okay, toolbox tour update. This is my new box. You can see the old one right there, but I'm very happy to have this thing. Let's see. So, up top, got my levels, my adjustables, my radio, charger, paperwork, gloves, wipes, all good stuff. My greases, tire plugs, tape, a few extra things, super glue. Kind of my junk drawer. I think that's what I'm gonna make that one. Screwdrivers. I love these Milwaukee screwdrivers. I picked these up not too long ago. Still keep the Craftsman in there, I still use them, but I'm usually going for a Milwaukee. Got some new impact, kind of like swivel extensions. These are new. Gear wrench 84 tooth. I like them. I think I still go for this one the most. But sometimes I just don't like the comfort grip, and I don't need a flex head, so those are nice. This guy's new, 1/2 inch Husky. It's a really nice ratchet. And I think that's all that's new in here. This drawer is kind of empty. This box gave me a lot of extra space. Yeah. But I'll eventually be full. Scrapers, picks, brushes, cleanup tools, all in one drawer, which is nice. This is kind of a personal drawer, as you guys know, that Husky kind of marketed it for that with the other lock here, but right now I just keep my keys, receipts, gloves, safety glasses, and a few lights in there. Alright, money shot. All my sockets in here. These guys are new. I get these for working on my motorcycle. They're Husky. Actually really nice. Recommend those. Let's see what else is new. That's new. It works okay. I really like this pen light. That's new. Oh, these are new. Tecton impacts. I had some chrome 12 points here, and I swapped those out. All my sockets are still Craftsman, which are awesome. They hold up great, and these are still awesome Husky impact sockets. Recommend those. Got some, just used to crap snap-ons. I don't think I'm gonna buy a full set. These are kind of just like mismatched. Like my 3/4 is a Harbor Freight. Let's see what else. I bought this spark plug service kit. Didn't include the 18. So when I got the 18 Husky, it's the rubber kind, not the magnet. These Duralast ones are awesome. I've had this one for a long time. Holds up great. So I think that's all for the top drawer. I love just opening that top drawer and seeing all my tools, and Right next door. Pliers. Let's see. What's new? These are new. These are new. I got these off the gear wrench truck. Made in USA. Getting hoses off. Oh, these are new. Picked these up at Harbor Freight. More hose stuff. Those are awesome. Used them a few times. A lot of my pliers really haven't changed at all. All still, everything is holding up well. Next drawer down. Got some crow's feet. I think this is the only thing that has really changed. But my wrenches are still Husky. They hold up great. Ratcheting wrenches. I just bought a gear wrench set. It's coming in the mail. Hopefully this coming week. I haven't gotten it yet. Hammer drawer and pry bars all in the same drawer, which is awesome. C-clamps new. These are still probably my favorite Harbor Freight tool. Awesome. I think this guy's new. Let's see what else. Those pry bars I want to upgrade, but I just still can't get over the fact how good they are for $10. So I'm gonna wear them until they won't go anymore. But I do want some new pry bars. Down here, some PPE, knee pads, welding sleeves. I'm so happy to have those. I don't burn my arms anymore. Respirator, mask, hearing protection, knee plug, or knee plugs, knee pads. Only thing new in here, I think, is going to be my Dremel. And yeah, I don't know if this is new. Micro torch. That's awesome. That's another Harbor Freight thing. That's awesome. I really recommend that. Diagnostics drawer. I mean, this guy really just, it's faster to use this to erase codes than the shop scanner, because the shop scanner's slow as hell. Has a lot of stuff on the shop one, but it's just slow. This guy's new. You know, just basic diagnostic stuff. All our expensive stuff is in the shop tools, so I don't really need anything expensive, which is nice. There's a mark and measure drawer. Oh, this guy's new. This thing's awesome. I've been wanting one of these. Can I do this one-handed? Oh. Come on. It's a digital caliper, but there we go. Husky. Been wanting one of these for a while. Finally got one where I needed, or I was working on something where I needed it. So, really happy to have that. But, you know, tape measure, square, feeler gauges, markers, Sharpies. This is kind of like, I don't know, everything I need for power tools. So, air hammer stuff, drill bits. I will be getting the Milwaukee grinder when it comes out. Some brushes and grinding wheels and all kinds of stuff. Look at that soft close. And my Milwaukee drawer. Nothing's really new except the light, which is awesome. Another great tool. I highly recommend that. It's just so bright, and the battery lasts pretty long, and it's good. So that's pretty much it. So far, I'm really happy with the box. I think it's going to hold up a long time, and it definitely has a lot more space. And I don't have to worry about running out of room for a really long time. Like There's space there. I mean, like, I could even use that. It's awesome. I'm just really happy with it. I highly recommend this box. The only thing I'm going to complain about is this big drawer. It slides fine. It does. I just wish it had dual slides. But small thing, I hope it holds up. That's, you know, there's definitely going to be more weight in this eventually. But, I mean, it slides fine, so I really can't complain too much. But this box is awesome. I highly recommend it. I think I paid like close to $1,000 for it. And yeah, if you have any questions about the tools or anything in the box, or more questions about the box, just leave it in the comments. And I appreciate you viewing.